Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to remove Google account from Play Store, and now let's dive right in. Now to remove a Google account from your Play Store, first open up your Play Store app on your phone. And after opening your Play Store app, guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see your profile picture icon available for us. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen, and this kind of interface will appear where you can see your currently logged in Google account on the Play Store at the top of the screen over here. Now, in order to remove one account, tap on the drop down arrow at the right side of this account at the top of the screen, and all of the accounts which you have logged into your Play Store will be shown to you like this. Now, in order to remove an account, scroll down and you can find the manage accounts on this device option over here. Tap on manage accounts on this device and then tap on the Google over here. And after on tapping on the Google, all of the accounts will be available over here. Now, in order to remove a particular account, tap on the account which you want to remove from your Google Play Store, and it will show you like this, whereas at the top right corner of the screen you can see a three dotted icon available for us. Tap on that three dotted icon at the top right corner of the screen and you can find the remove account button over here. If you tap on the remove account button, this kind of button box will appear, and if you again tap on the remove account, your account will be removed from the Google Play Store. By this way, guys, you will be able to remove an account from the Google Play Store. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.